Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to demonstrate that the value of I between 3 over 4 and 3 over 2 plus the square root of number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that the integration from number 1 to number 2. So we have the range of this one. Between s equals to number 1 to s equals to number 2. So we put the value code here and we will have like this. So we put number 1 and number 2 in here. So we calculate about this one. We have the square root of number 2 over 2. This one we have number 1. Next, we need to add number 1 for the both sides. So this one we have number 2. And next, we put into the fractions. So they will be like this. Next, I will put S for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to find the integration of this one and this one. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2 over this number in here. And we have the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we calculate about this one and we have this number in here, and this one we do the same. And we have 3 over 4. And now we put this number go in here. And this one go in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.